All right, guys. So, yeah, I know this is a little late. This is way past my uploading scheduled time, but you guys read the title, right? Your girl's actually doing a wig sale. I gave in and, I decided to extend these units out to you guys. I'm a low-key a hoarder, high-key a hoarder, so I love to just store things and keep them. But you guys know I only have one head, and there is no way in the world that I'm going to be able to wear all these units. So this is why I've decided to go ahead, after careful, long drawn out thinking, I've decided to go ahead and give everything away to you guys. So before we get into the video, I do want to make a disclaimer. All units have been worn by me once, at least once, for the review purposes, or if I had purchased the unit myself. I've only worn it once. Okay, so if you feel uneasy or a bit cringy at the fact that I'm wearing these units and then sending them out, you're under no obligation whatsoever to purchase from me. If you do decide to purchase from me, okay, you can, but there is no obligation whatsoever. I'm not forcing anyone to do anything, okay? You're at your free will. So I just wanted to make sure that this disclaimer was put out there before we get into the details, okay? So now I'm going to the details in regards to the units. So these units that I have on the site is listed down in the description section below. It is not in the purchase mode at this moment. It's in like a coming soon / preview mode, meaning that you're able to go in, select the unit, and look at whatever unit you're interested in buying. So I would advise you to decide which unit you're interested in buying. Once you click on that unit, it will bring you to another page which gives you a overall detail of what you're going to be getting. Once you decided which unit you're getting, go back to my description section below. And we'll go back to this video, then go back to the description section and hit the playlist button. Find whichever unit that you are interested in purchasing. And let me say this, this is very important. This is the most critical, important step that you need to do. Watch the video, okay? Watch it 20,000 times if you have to. This video will give you everything you need to know about the wig you are receiving, okay? Including details of me, how I cut the unit. So if you guys want to know how it's cut, none of my units are cut straight across, okay? I do jagged edges. You will see that in the video, okay? Y'all know I'm a baby hair fanatic. If you're not a fan of baby hairs, do not purchase the units from me, because at least all the units I wear have baby hairs, cut into them. So if you're not a fan of it, like I said again, you're under no obligation to purchase, all right? Like I said, I've also styled the unit, relaxed it, colored it. All that will be in the original review video. So that's why I stress this step enough. You have to watch the video in order to see what you're getting, okay? There are no returns. Okay, these sales are final, okay? So that's why I want to say it again. Watch the original review so you already know what you are getting. Now, before I send out each unit, of course, I'm going to go ahead and wash and condition it using my Aussie shampoo. And I'm also pre-styling the unit. So if your hair is, if you're buying a curly textured unit, I will let it air dry, put a middle part in it, and then that's how you will be receiving the unit. If you have a straight one, I will blow dry it, wash and condition it and blow dry it, and straighten it, and also provide a middle part. And the same thing with a body wave textured pattern. I will go ahead and, I don't know, I haven't determined that. I might go ahead and just put some body waves back in it, or I would just leave it in its natural state. So just be sure to check the description section on the website, and I tell you what I've already done to each unit, because I actually already did them all, but you guys get my drift. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to give everybody a fair shot, so I did go ahead and revamp my old store page, and everything has already been set up from when I had it in the summertime. So I'm able to accept all types of payments. So if you don't have a PayPal, you're able to use your MasterCard, your Visa card, whatever you have, your Google, Apple Pay, whatever you have, you're able to use it on this site. This is not just restricted to the US. Like I said, my store was already set up, so I'm able to ship internationally as well. So, there we have it. Like I said, all units will be washing and conditioned unless they're synthetic. Synthetic, you're just going to get it as is, okay? What I will do, though, is clean off the lace portion of it. I'm not going to send it to you with like gel or something like that. That's the only thing I'm going to do. But as far as washing it off, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess up the unit, okay? So also I am going to be adding 2 to 3 more units to the site. So be sure to check my YouTube stories in between tonight and Wednesday. Because I will be adding a couple more units as well so you guys can see it. As far as my site, when the sale will actually be going on, it will be held Wednesday, December 18th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is my regularly scheduled uploading time. So if you guys, I just want you guys to go ahead and mark it down in your calendar, let you know now. This is actually first come, first serve. I'm not doing pre-orders, so don't DM me, don't message me saying, oh, can you hold this, can you do? No, I want everyone to get a chance, so you have to be here 9 p.m. Eastern. Also, I am going to put my site in under construction mode at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way I give everybody a chance to come back to the website at 9 p.m. to to purchase whatever unit they would like to have. So like I said, I feel like this is more fair than me doing it ghettoly through Instagram or Snapchat. So I think I have went through everything. Did I? Yeah. I went through everything I need to go. To get out. So like I said, don't forget to watch the original reviews. They will be a key into purchasing any unit, okay? So yeah, like I said, all sales are final. There will be no return. So your girl got to go, but I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Be sure to make sure you stay alerted through my YouTube stories. I will also let you guys know when the sale is live on Wednesday and also when I upload new units between tonight and Wednesday. So gotta go. Love y'all.